Hello friends, welcome to Gardening with Nitin. Today is January 3rd, 2021 and it is a beautiful day in North Texas. In this video, I will be doing the winter sowing of the seeds to get a head start in spring. I usually try to do it inside with grow lights, but I am out of space as it is being used to winterize my 4 pepper plants. So this year I am going to try sowing them outside with a 1-gallon milk jug. Let's dig into it. For this project you will need a 1-gallon milk jug, something to use to do holes, cutter, duct tape, scissor and a Sharpie. So the first thing is you need to do few holes. I did 4 holes over there, and then next you need to cut this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Normally I will leave about this much of space over here so that it can work as a hinge. You will not need this cap. Once this thing is cut, you can see that I have 4 holes in it for a drainage. Put your potting mix. This is a seed starting mix which I created. So this is a DIY recipe. I added 10 part of cocoa coir, 1 part of perlite and 1 part of vermiculite in it, so that it's very light and a good mixture. In this I am going to plant my okra seeds. I'm going to plant 4 okra seed about ½ inch deep. To cover them. Then first time give it a good watering. I'm also use this stick and write okra in it, so that I know what I planted in it. And we will cover this. And then use the duct tape. with your finger, make sure it's a good fit. Give some more water. On this also I am going to use my Sharpie and write what is in it, and this is ready. I have total 8 milk jugs, and I planted 2 okras, 1 bitter gourd, 2 pea, 1 cucumber and 2 spinach, and I also placed them about 1.5 inch of mulch to provide them and extra warmth. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos on gardening. Thank you and God bless you all.